Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a working McDonald's promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your phone and then head over to Google and type in McDonald's promo code. And then after you've done that, a whole heap of websites will come up that's saying up to 50% off McDonald's coupon code, McDonald's voucher $10 off. So click on any one of these top results. So I'm going to go We've Thrift It for 50% off McDonald's code. So to get the code, just simply click on copy code. Just depends which site you're on. And then the code is free HB22. So when you're in your checkout at McDonald's, put in that code to activate that discount up to 50% off. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Just go to Google like so and search for McDonald's promo code. And just try any one of the top results. In my experience, probably half the time it works, depending what time of the day or what day it is. So yeah, leave a comment down below if this code worked for you or not. Alright, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.